Our function equals 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. The first step is to place the limit h approaches 0. Then replace x plus h in every x inside the function, and then subtract the original function. Now expand the first term using binomial square root law. And using distributive property, expand the second term. And on the last function, use distributive property to change the sign of the equation. Using distributive property, expand the first term. And divide everything by h. And then cancel the like terms. Take out the greatest common factor, which in this case is h, so you can cancel with the denominator. And this way you won't have any h's on the bottom of the equation. Now we're gonna substitute 0 in the h's we have inside the equation. This way we'll cancel a 3 and have a final function, which is 6x plus 4.
So we will be doing this equation. The first step is to substitute the x, so will give us 3 parentheses x plus h minus 5 parentheses x plus h squared minus 3x minus 5x squared. So this is our basic. Now we will continue with this formula and we have to expand, so 3x plus 3h minus 5 and open parentheses x squared plus 2xh plus h squared close parentheses minus 3x minus 5x squared. There should actually be a parenthesis there. We will add it later. So right after this we will have to divide everything by h. So what we will do now is put the 5, so 5x squared minus 2x minus 10xh minus 5h squared. So that will pretty much give us the expansion of the 5x minus 3x minus 5x squared. We will put the parentheses in later over h, obviously. So now we will continue. We have to cancel out everything that we can, so cancel out the 5x squared. We will also cancel out the 3's, which was supposed to be a negative, I'm sorry. And that will give us what is left, which will be 3h minus 10xh minus 5h squared all over h. And now we're gonna have to take the h out. So what I did is I erased everything and wrote the formula we have right now. So it's gonna be h open parentheses 3 minus 10x minus 5h, everything over h, and as you can see the h's cancel, so 3 minus 10x minus 5h, and since h is approaching 0, we will get a 0, and our final answer will be 3 minus 10x.
Solving derivative by definition. With the box formula, we will solve the problem. First, we substitute the x's into the formula. As you can see, the formula tells us to rewrite the original problem at the end, and everything goes over h. Now, we solve. The next step is to take out the h's. The h below cancels with the h on top. And now we have got to rewrite the problem but without the h terms. This leaves the problem being only 6x2 minus 2x plus 5. And that is the final answer.